Now we go inside our caravan to check what's inside. What kind of accessory for inside of the caravan. Let's go inside. Okay, now look at here. This is a clothes hanger here. Also, this is a compact hanger. This is for children's. This is for adults' clothes here. And also it's compact and foldable. It's very small when you fold it. You can put in the pocket and put it anywhere. So it's a very, very good accessory for caravans indoor. So now I put my t-shirt here. Okay, this is the hangers for clothes. And also I want to introduce some more products. We call the foldable products for the kitchens. This is a bowl. This is 3-in-1 bowls here. Big one, middle one, and the smaller one. And this is all foldable here. It's very good quality here. Easy fold. Fold. And fold. When you're using your caravans, it will save a lot of your space. Okay. I also can put like this way. The caps here. Oh, sorry. Like this. When you don't want to fold it, you can put all in one. After this, I want to introduce more other foldable products. And this one is a cutting board. And this is a foldable one. And now this is a cutting board. I can cut the vegetables, I can cut the fruit here. And if I don't like use as a cutting board, I can use as a basket. I can wash the vegetables and fruits here. The foldable like this. Then it's very easy to keep. I keep here like this. Okay, this is kit. It's a foldable bucket. I show you how to use it. It's a very deep one. It's very good quality. It's a deep one here. And our bucket is very good quality because we have the extra plastic here lines here to help people easy to fold it out and fold it back like this. It's very easy to fold. For the bad quality one, they don't have this. So this is a much more good quality. Okay, this is the folded one I took here. And the last one I think here is it's a washing basin here. You can wash the clothes. It's a more bigger one. Bigger. You can put clothes here. You can also add the bucket. Also 2-in-1 functions. I teach you how to put. You see here, all our foldable products here, the extra lines, plastic lines, is hard. It's more easy to fold. So easy. Okay, we go for next one here. This is the bucket to wash the fruit here, and also we have the hose here. It's very easy and good to washing the fruit here. I show you some like this. It's very nice. You can wash any kind of fruit here. It's very good designs. Okay, next one I think is also for washing the plate, washing the cups, washing everything. After washing the cups, you can put like this. The water always can come out easily because here you can see all the holes here. It's very nice, and also here is a foldable. This is all the products, foldable products. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is all the foldable products here. The all looks products with very good quality. If any customers got interest, just call us or email us.